Ndewo ndị be anyị. Tata ihe anyị ga-amụ bụ ahụhụ na ihe na-arị arị. Ahụhụ na ihe na-arị arị. Creepy crawlies. Creepy crawlies are insects, worms, and spiders. Before we start, I ask you to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Akpị, dog fleas. Akpị, dog fleas. Igwu, head lice. Igwu, head lice. Singular, louse. Idide, earthworm. Idide, earthworm. Chinchi, bedbug. Chinchi, bedbug. Ebu, wasp. Ebu, wasp. Ngolo, praying mantis. Ngolo, praying mantis. Ududo, spider. Ududo, spider. Akpị, scorpion. Akpị, scorpion. Esu, millipede. Esu, millipede. Erumbuba, butterfly. Erumbuba, butterfly. Ebe, beetle. Ebe, beetle. Ijiji, housefly. Ijiji, housefly. Anwụ or anwụnta. Anwụnta, mosquito. Aṅụ, bee. Aṅụ, bee. Ụkpana, grasshopper. Ụkpana, grasshopper. Akịka, termites. Akịka, termites. Akụ, winged edible termites. Akụ. Ọtị or ụtụ, weevil. Mkpụkpọ, cricket. Mkpụkpọ, cricket. We have come to the end of today's video. Join us next time for other Igbo lessons. Thank you.